Hello dear students, welcome to in this online classes of Physics in the Secondary School Captain Match. Today I am going to solve some question of miscellaneous exercise on chapter first. Here question 3. Let A, B and C be the sets such that A union B equal to A union C and A intersection B equal to A intersection C, then prove that or show that B equal to C. Now solution of question 3. It is given that A union B equal to A union C. And second condition, A intersection B equal to A intersection C. Then show that B equal to C. For this, it is given that A union B is equal to A intersection C. Therefore, we take intersection of both sides. Means A union B intersection C equal to A union C intersection C. This implies here A union B intersection C means intersection distributes over union, and here A union C intersection C, we observe that here C is subset of A union C. So therefore A union C intersection C equal to C, because C is subset of A union C. Now here A union B intersection C means A intersection C union B intersection C. Here intersection distributes over union, means A union B intersection C means A intersection C. A intersection C here union B intersection C. Now A intersection C is given again. A intersection C is equal to A union B. A intersection B. In place of A intersection C, we write A intersection B union B intersection C equal to C. Since it is given that A intersection B equal to A intersection C, means A intersection B union B intersection C equal to C. If we suppose this is first argument. Now further, A union B equal to A union C, it is given right here in bracket given. Then A union B intersection B equal to A union C intersection B, means we take intersection of B on both sides. So this implies A union B intersection B, means this is intersection distributes over union, means A intersection B union A intersection B. Sorry, 1 minute. We observe that A union B intersection B means this is equal to B, because B is subset of A union B, means here since B is subset of A union B, so this implies A union intersection B is equal to B. Now A union C intersection B means A intersection B union C intersection B, or we write this implies B equal to A intersection B union C intersection B. So C intersection B means we write here B intersection C, because since A intersection B, let here C intersection B equal to B intersection C means comparative. That is commutative law. Intersection of two sets holds commutative law. In place of C intersection B, we write B intersection C. Means, and first condition A intersection B union B intersection C, and second this is of course second. Using first and second, right here, using first result and second, we have there right left hand side of first condition A intersection B union B intersection C, and right hand side of second results A intersection B union B intersection C, both are equal same. This means C equal to B. This implies using first and second we have B equal to C. Hence now most important results that the theorem. If A and B be two sets, then prove that A difference B is equal to A intersection complement of B. Now, proof of theorem. Proof. Here, A and B be two sets, then show that A difference B is equal to A intersection complement of B. Earlier we know about when two sets are equal. Here, two sets A and B are equal if and only A is subset of B and second B is subset of A. Using this result, we prove that A difference B equal to A intersection complement of B. For this, first we prove that A difference B is subset of A intersection complement of B, and next we have to prove that A intersection complement of B is subset of A difference B. After this applying these two results, we find that A difference B equal to A intersection complement of B. For this, A difference B, let X be an arbitrary element of A difference B. Then we write X belongs to A difference B. You know earlier what is the definition of difference A difference B? A difference B means the set of that elements which belongs to set A but not B. So this implies X belongs to A difference B means X belongs to A and X does not belong to set B. This implies X belongs to A, and if X does not belong to B, so this implies X belongs to complement of B. Now X belongs to A and X belongs to complement of B, and union means X belongs to A intersection complement of B. Because and is given, the X belongs to A and X belongs to complement of B means X belongs to A intersection complement of B. So here X belongs to A difference B. This implies X belongs to means here right here. When X belongs to A difference B, so this implies X belongs to A intersection complement of B. Combining these results, we find that A difference B is subset of A intersection complement of B. Suppose here first. Now second, we have to prove that A intersection complement of B is subset of A difference B. For this, suppose let Y be an arbitrary element of A intersection complement of B. Then we write X belongs to A intersection complement of B. If X belongs to A intersection complement of B, this means X belongs to A and X belongs to complement of B. So this implies X belongs to A and if X belongs to complement of B, so this means X belongs to X does not belong to B. Here, if X belongs to complement of B, this implies X does not belong to set B. Now, when X belongs to A and X does not belong to B, this means X belongs to A difference B. This means X belongs to A difference B. Because we know the definition of difference of two sets. If X belongs to A difference B, means X belongs to A and X does not belong to set B. Thus, if X belongs to A difference complement of B, so this implies X belongs to A difference B. So this shows that A intersection complement of B is subset of A difference B. This is second result. Now combining first and second. After this, combining first and second, we get here A difference B is subset of A intersection complement of B and A intersection complement of B is subset of A difference B. This shows that A difference B is equal to A intersection complement of B. Hence proof. Now we will understand this result using Venn diagram. First of all, we draw a universal set represented by rectangle. Right here, U and two sets A and B represented by circles. Drawn between the rectangle, set A and set B. A difference B means the region which contains only A but not B. So this region is A difference B. So A difference B is equal to A intersection complement of B. This is equal to A difference B. And what is A intersection complement of B? A intersection means A is this region, A is this region, and complement of B means next Venn diagram we draw it. This is universal set A, set B, set A, set B. A intersection complement of B. A means this region, odd region, and complement of B means except this region, odd region. Which is common among this? Only this region is common. Means we represent here. Let us suppose this is whole set A. This is whole set A. And what is complement of B? Complement of B means except this region, we circle or we set odd. Means like this here. Suppose this region represent complement of B. What is the common between A set and complement of B? Only observe this region is common. This region means here. This region is common. And this region is common means this is also here A difference B. This is also A difference B. A difference B is equal to A intersection complement of B. I think you are understand the concept of A difference B is equal to A intersection complement of B. Thank you. Have a nice day.